Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making some grilled Pudina lamb chops. So a bit of a slightly vinegary, garlic, ginger, mint marinade first with, I'll show you what's in it anyway. So, first thing I've got is about a cup of chopped mint leaves. And I've got 6 cloves of garlic that I've grated up. I've got a big knob of ginger that I've grated, otherwise known by one subscriber as a BKOG, a BCOG. What have we got next? I've got 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, in this one here I've got one side I've got 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, and I've got 1 teaspoon of paprika. The paprika's mostly to help with the colour. The Kashmiri chili powder will help with that as well. And then this one, I've got 1 teaspoon of powdered cumin, and on the other side I've got, I don't know if you can see there, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ground black pepper. In that goes. And last thing here, now this isn't really an Indian ingredient, but I'm going to use it anyway. It's extra virgin olive oil, and I've got 2 tablespoons, and it will give it a really nice nutty sort of character that you wouldn't necessarily get with vegetable oil. Alright, I'll just mix that up a bit. Alright, now for my lamb chops today I'm going to be using lamb cutlets like so. And they're a nice, quite juicy looking thick cut. And I've got about a 1 kg serving of those, so I'm going to put those all in. Now I've thoroughly washed my hands. I'm going to get in with that marinade and just rub it into all those chops and make sure they all get a nice coating of it. And there's no sort of better way to do it really than with your hands. You can try if you want to, it's up to you. Alright, I'll get on with that, get them all coated up. I'll get a cover on that, I'll get it in the fridge. Now I'm going to marinate these. It's morning here now. I'm going to have these as a late lunch, so 4 hours, something like that, 4 or 5 hours. You can do it overnight if you want to. You can do it for half an hour if you want to. It's up to you. The longer you leave it, obviously, the better. I'll see you a bit later. Alrighty guys, so I've plated up my grilled Pudina lamb chops here. Well, a couple of them, or 3 of them. Yeah, they smell good, they look good. Let's try one. see if we can look up close. Now I have served it with some yogurt here, which I've mixed in some garlic, some lemon juice, a bit more fresh mint, and also some finely chopped cucumber. But I just want to try a bite of this first without that. So you can see there I've cooked it nice and rare, which is what you want. You always want rare with lamb, well, you should. But the flavours on the outside of that are just delicious. Really, really, really yummy. Ah, yum. That's a really nice little bite. Let's dip a bit in our yogurt. Try it with that. It's just delicious, guys. Super easy. You saw how easy it is. No hassle at all. Yeah, really, really happy. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Thanks to those who've subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I mean that. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscribe button? That'd be great too. But if you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you all next time.